Hello Sudoku friends, welcome again today in the daily newspaper on Friday, December the 20th of 2019. We have 10 days to go. Sorry, correction, 11 days to go. Then it will be 2020. We have today two Sudokus, a light Sudoku and a heavy Sudoku. We will start first with the light Sudoku. So let's get started. Let's see. A 7 in this row. A 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for 7 is here or there. I see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. Then in this big square, one of the missing number is a 7. I see here 7, so no 7 there. I see there 7, so no 7 here. So the only two places for 7 should be here or there. So in this row, we have a 7. In the first row, we have a 7. So in the row between, the only place for the 7 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 8 should be here. Now the 7 in this big square, one of the missing number is a 7. I see there are 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the only place for the 7 should be here. And I remember here for this row, the 2 boxes, one of those boxes could be a 7. Now we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be here. Okay. Let's continue with the 8. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So in the column between, the only place for the 8 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 8, I see. Let's start with the 1. In this big square, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 1. I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last row. 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 1 is here. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here a 1, so no 1 there. I see there 1, so no 1 there. The only 2 places for 1 should be here or there. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. So in this row, we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. We have a 1 in the first row. So in the row between, the only place for the 1 should be here. In this big square, the 1, I see we have a 1 there, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 should be in one of these 2 boxes. So in this column, the 1 is in one of these 2 boxes. The second column, we have a 1 here. So in the third column, the only 2 places for 1 should be here or there. Now we have a 1 there, so no 1 here. The only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so in that column the only place for the 1 should be here. And I remember the two, one of those two boxes could be a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. One missing box in this row for the number 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row the only two places for 4 is here or there, but we have a 4 there, so no 4 here, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in this column the only place for the 4 must be here. One missing number in this column for the number 6, no, we have a 6, 5. One missing number of this big square for the number 2. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row above the only place for the 3 should be here. Then 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so in this column the only place for the 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in the last column the only place for the 3 must be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row the only place for the 3 must be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the first column, so in the column between the only two places for 3 is here or there, but we have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. Two missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. I see here we have a 5, so no 5 there, 5 should be here. The 9 goes there. Two missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. I see we have a 5 there, so no 5 here, 5 should be here. 6 goes there. One missing number in the second column for the number 6. One missing number in the last row for the number 2. One missing number in the first row for the number 6. One missing number in this column for the number 9. One missing number in this big square for the number 8. One missing number in this big square for the number 9. Two missing numbers in this column for the number 9 and the number 5. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be here and the 5 goes there. Two missing numbers in this column for the number 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here, 4 should be there. 8 goes there. One missing number in this row for the number 5. One missing number in this middle row for the number 2. One missing number of this big square for the number 6. Two missing numbers in this row for the numbers 5 and 4. 5 and 4. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here, 5 must be here, and the 4 goes there. One missing number in this column for the number 9, and the last two numbers for this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here, 2 must be here, and the 4 goes there. So we finish this in 10 minutes. Alright, if you like this Sudoku Light, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the Sudoku Heavy. Bye bye.